Now the question on the screen says the source S1 is at rest. The observer and the source S2 are moving towards S1 as shown in the figure. The roof beats observed by the observer if both sources have frequency 120 Hz and speed of sound 330 meter per second in is. Now there is a source S1 given to us, and further it is said the observer and source S2 moving towards S1 means there is a source 1 and the observer, and there is another source S2 which is moving towards S1. You can see in the figure. The roof beats by observed by the observer if both have the same frequency and speed. So now let's see how we will find out the frequency. So in the solution it is given that 120, that is the frequency of both observer and the S2 source is 120 Hertz. Then we know it's a simple formula in which we put the value, and after that we got the result, that is 8.128 Hertz. So that's all.